In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my experiences as an African medical student in India, and my experiences are ranging from good and bad, and I'm going to be able to share with you everything you need to know in this video. So stick around because the last might shock you. India Medical School in September 2025, guys, and since then I've had a lot of experiences, guys. First of all, I want to talk about what I have found that I didn't expect to find here in India, and this is also different. The differences between medical school in my country and also the medical school in India. Let's get started. So, guys, my first experience is about the classes, guys. How have I found the classes here? So the classes, especially the medical classes here in India, first of all, we have them for almost the whole week. We study from Monday to Saturday, guys, and which is very different from back home, because back home someone can have a class like today morning and then they have no class the whole day. But from India, especially here where I'm studying in Gitam University, I study from 9 a.m. in the morning and I go up to 4 p.m. in the evening, guys, every single day apart from maybe Sunday. But we also study on Saturday, guys, and I've not found that a problem. Like the long lectures are not a problem for me, but it's something that shocks me when I came here because it is totally different in Africa. In Africa, it's very different. And also, I found the clinical postings really interesting. One thing I've loved about India's medical school is the fact that their clinical postings almost like at least twice a week or a month. And guys, this is so amazing because I've literally gotten a chance to go to the operation theater. And when I talk to my friends about it, they'd be surprised, like, how are you going to the operation theater already in first year, moreover? And it really shocks them and surprises them. So that's one thing I've loved. India medical school, especially in my class, I'm doing anesthesia technology, by the way. We're allowed to go to the operation theater and see how the operations are going. And guys, this is so amazing, and it has helped me to also be able to understand my course better and also love it more, guys. That's one thing I've loved about India Medical School. And also it's really interesting, guys, the fact that we have lecturers who speak and only teach in English, and once in a while they'll shift to another language, but that has not been a problem for me, guys. I really love it here, and honestly it's gonna give me a very big exposure because I go to the hospital to learn about anesthesia machines and all those things, guys. It has really been an amazing experience in terms of the class, guys. In terms of the class, it has really been good. Then second of all, I'm also going to talk about, for example, the languages. The languages, first of all, yes, they speak Hindi and Telugu sometimes, especially in the south. But guys, I haven't found that a problem for me because our lecturers don't use it too much. Yes, our lecturers don't use it too much, guys. It's usually they maybe, for example, only explain to, for example, if you go for clinical posting, they will explain to one Indian in Telugu. And for us, since we don't understand, they will be like, have you, if you don't understood, I can explain to you again in English. It's not like it's fixed. And that's one thing that I really loved about medical school here in India, guys. Then I'm also going to talk about the textbooks. So guys, one thing I've realized about India medical school is that you also have to use a lot of textbooks, guys, because yes, we are given notes in class and PDFs, but you're supposed to do your own personal research, like at a very high level. You go to the library and you have to do more research and find out more about the topic that you want to understand. And that's one thing I've really loved about the medical school here, guys. Everything is just, the library is well stocked, first of all, and you can find any book you want to read, guys, and that's one thing that is amazing. Now let's talk about the exams, guys. So how have I found the exams here in India? So the exams, honestly, I'm going to lie, compared to what I expected, they are way easier, guys. And why am I saying they're easy? For example, if I'm doing anatomy and physiology, and for my course units in my subject, in my course, which is anesthesia, like I can read a lot, and what I expect, what I find in exams is like only half the percentage of what I read, guys. And that is something that, first of all, may annoy me, but at the same time it's good because the exams are not hard, the exams are easy, honestly. And if you're a person who like prepares on time, trust me, you cannot fail these exams here in India, and it's really amazing, guys. The other thing I've learned about the exams is the fact that here they do, especially for medical school, they do midterm and finals. But in the other school, like the engineers and all that, for them they're doing sessions like session 1 and session 2. But first we do midterm and finals. And midterm, they are not strict. Like people can literally like ask for help with each other, and then no one perturbs them especially when you go, for example, to the maybe anatomy department, like people can be asking, what is the answer here, what is the answer here, and someone is giving the friend the answer and no one is disturbing, guys. But in finals, one thing I've realized, they even check us everything, guys. They check your collars, they check everything to ensure that you don't have any writing materials when you're going for exams. And that is one thing that I've also found that is very, very shocking here in India. Like, they really treasure the finals, and that is how it's supposed to be anyway. That's how it's supposed to be, so it's not a problem. Now I'm also going to talk about my friends that I found in medical school, the Indian friends. Honestly, I have found the best people, and one thing I realized about them is that they love reading late. I don't know why, but most of my Indian friends, they do not like want to, like, maybe they attend lectures, but they do not want to like prepare on time. And maybe it's because they believe that they will remember better when they read late. But for me as a foreigner, I'm used to reading early and preparing early, especially since I'm doing a medical course. Like, I can't cram things in last minute. But one thing I know about the Indians is that they have a good calming power. So that's one thing I found surprising about my friends here in India. But another thing is that they're amazing, and honestly, I've not found any issues in medical school so far. I love the clinical postings. I've gone to operation theater. I have literally helped a patient once. Actually, there's a scenario where I went to the operation theater and the patient was having, maybe they were cleansing his inner, I think it was the stomach. Yes, they were cleansing the stomach, and he wanted to pee after the surgery, I think, because they were using water. I don't know, I didn't get the science behind it, but guys, I literally, my first year, I was able to help the patient. Like, I was able to help him. I didn't do anything much. I just had to cover him and provide for him. There's a bottle which I used to help him because he wanted to pee, and I had to help him with a bottle. Like, no one was there, guys, and after the surgery had ended, the surgeon had left, so it was only me, and I was supposed to help him. And guys, trust me, that was the first time I felt like, oh my god, I'm actually doing the course. I'm actually doing the course. That's one thing I've loved about Indian medical school, is that they make you practice immediately. You come. Even my friends in radiology department told me the same thing. They're already doing practice, and even in emergency department, they're already receiving patients. They're already giving CPR and all that, guys. That's one thing I've learned about in medical school. It is so practical. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. If you love content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm on the road to 1K, guys. Only 36 subscribers to go, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share with your friends. Comment down below your thoughts about Indian medical school, and if you're an Indian watching this video, thank you guys for supporting me, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe. I'm out. Peace.